Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous tutorial, we have successfully updated the record within the database, and in this tutorial, we are going to create action listener on the front end with the help of jQuery to delete this record dynamically from the front end side. So first we need to go to the list and we need to search delete. Here we will add a class name as delete, and when I will click this, it will delete the record dynamically. So for that I have to create action listener here. So I will copy this and use a delete action listener here. Right now I will comment these sections. Now what I will do, once refresh the whole page so that the class which I have added will be binded here in the front end. Now what I will do, I will use this is the structure of DOM up to table row. You can see this is the TD. We need one more parent, so this is the row dot remove. So the row is automatically deleted from the front end but not from the back end. Also you can see here we have cache of record which we can delete by destroying this data table. This is another thing, so we will look after this sometime again. Okay, so this will delete the record from the front end. Now we need an ID, so we will use this. Here we have ID. After getting the ID, we will delete the record, and here in the front, when we are getting the data, we are creating a data table by this name, and when we need to delete data, we will destroy this table before removing any element. So first we will remove element, or then we will destroy data tables. Let's see how it's work. It is refreshing. Now when I will click on delete, it will not only remove record but also destroy the whole table. And here you can see this is how it's work. Okay, now it is destroy and see is it work, and it is working. So now what we need to do, we need to first destroy the table and then remove this record. Now refresh once again and see is it working or not. Right after this, we have to create an AJAX call which will send the primary key in the backend. So it is working. Now in this instance, when we will get success message from the server that record is successfully deleted, we have to initiate table again after reloading the present data. I hope this video is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.